Welcome to 5 Empire Circuit here in Penrith, located in Thornton Estate, right next to Penrith train station in Westfield. This freestanding 2-storey, 4-bedroom home, plus a study, boasts 3 living areas. Nice and bright from the north-facing aspect. Come on inside, let's take a look. As you enter the property, you've got tiles throughout, along with plantation shutters and ducted air conditioning throughout. Your study area is carpeted. There could even be a 5th bedroom. You've 3 living areas. The first is maybe a parent's retreat. You've got a large internal laundry, the powder room with a 3rd toilet. Your second living and dining area has access to the covered alfresco with a good sized backyard, kitchen with a 40mm bench and waterfall edge, gas cooking, large internal walk-in pantry, Harry Potter room with storage under the stairs. As you make your way up to the upstairs bedroom quarters, you've got a very functional bathroom with a separate shower, bathtub. Looking at the bedrooms, you've got plantation shutters. 2 of them are north facing with built-in robes. You've got your 3rd living area up here as a rumpus room or a second study area for those working from home. And then there's the oversized master bedroom with a walk-in robes and ensuite. I'm David Littman from Morton Real Estate Penrith. Thanks for joining me. Look forward to seeing you soon.